So this is 2.9b as in boy, a continuation of 2.9 combinations of operations and complex fractions in pre-algebra. And we are in example number 6 here, where they give us 3 plus 1/2, and they put that over 2 minus 3/4. So if you remember from the last problem we did, this big division sign right here, we're going to do that last. We'll do what's on the top, we'll do what's on the bottom, and then we'll cross the lines here and actually do our division. So let's go ahead and take 3 and 1/2 and add those together. So here is a simple way to do 3 plus a whole number plus a fraction. You just write it as 3 and 1/2, because remember, a whole number plus a fraction equals its mixed number, and that then equals 3 times 2 is 6, 7/2 as an improper fraction. So that saves us from having to do a lot of extra stuff there. Now we take 2 minus 3/4. So let's bring that over here. 2 minus 3/4. And we don't have anything to subtract here, so we have to again change this to a 1 and make that 4/4, because remember, we borrowed from the whole number, took it down to 1, and made 4/4 because this denominator here is 4, so it makes it real easy to subtract then. So I have 1 and 4/4 minus 3/4. So I have 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and that gives me, as an improper fraction, 5/4. So I'm going to put that over 5/4. So there's the problem that I'm at right now, and I'm going to divide, and that means invert and multiply. Okay, so this can change to 2 times 2, and I can cross that out with that one, and that gives me 14/5. Change this to a mixed number, and that's 2, and I have 4 left over. 2 4/5. Now again, that's completely different than how the book does it, but I'm just following the same procedures that I've taught you all along there. So the last example is example 7, and it looks like this. And gosh, what I would do with this is first of all change them both into improper fractions. Make that line a little bit thicker. And 26/3. And then I would, what I do with this is I automatically go up here, make a multiplication, flip the bottom number around, and make it go away. And then this is all I need to worry about. That cancels with that, and I end up with 31/26. And because 31 is a prime number, I can't reduce it. So what I'm going to do is change it into a mixed number, because that's what my original looked like. So I have 1. 26 goes into 31 one time with 5 left over. Put it over the denominator, and I'm good to go there. So that is 2.9b as in boy.